Okay, here's a quick video of my 2015 Corvette Stingray Z51 with the 7-speed manual for sale. This is in shark gray. I'll point out some highlights here. Just give her a fresh wash so you can see she's very clean. I sell the Z06 front grille, so it looks a lot cleaner, a lot better. This color, if you haven't seen it in person, it does change tone when it's a little bit overcast or when it starts to get a little bit darker. Right now, it takes on almost like a battleship gray, and in bright light, it looks more like a silverish tinge to it, but I absolutely love this color. And you don't see very many of them. They only made them in 15 and 16. I've got a custom exhaust on there. That's a B&B PRT. It's a little bit louder than stock, but not too loud. These are custom emblems as well. So I've got that on the front and the back. I think it was by West Coast Corvette, and they're painted in carbon flash to match the rest of the highlights on the car. Car is really clean. Take a look on the inside here. So here's the dash. Let me fire her up. So right now the mileage is at 39.99. That's bound to change. It'll be a little bit higher by the time you see this. This is the 3LT. So it's got the upgraded Napa leather in the interior here. It's also got the PDR. Quick demo on this, so you can record your driving sessions here. Don't really use it too often, but kind of a cool feature. This one's got the carbon fiber dash as well in here. You can hear the exhaust inside here. It's also got the carbon fiber roof here. See that was a $1,000 upgrade. The sticker on this vehicle originally was $73,600, I believe. That's the exhaust system. So it's got a nice throaty roar. The only scratches on this car that I'm aware of is right here on the wheel. That was there when I bought it. So scratch there. You can tell they refilled the paint over there and over there as well. This did bother me. I was going to get this done, refinished at a local shop here. They actually quoted me $150 to do it, but after a few weeks, it really didn't bother me because unless you're kneeling down right in front of it, you don't really notice it at all. Sorry about my finger in the video. I'm horrible at taking videos. Let me give it a quick couple of reps for you so you get the idea. Sounds really, really cool, as you can tell. But yeah, this is my car. If you're looking for a nice example of a shark gray C7 with low K, it actually still smells brand new inside and it looks new. Just give me a shout.